Guys, welcome back. Today I have a simple video for you guys today. I'm not doing anything too fancy. I just have in my bowl here some shrimp, some cabbage, some kale, and just some bell peppers, onion, tomato, and I put a little all-purpose season over it and a little black pepper, and I am just gonna put this in a pot and let it steam. And I am going to be showing you how I do my vegetable mix with shrimp. Yes, guys, so stay with me. Let me show you what I'm about to cook. So now I have some cooking oil and I'm just going to sprinkle a little all over my vegetable, not too much. So just sprinkle a little bit over it. And then I'm just going to mix this and then I'm going to put it to the pot. So my pot is now ready for cooking. I'm just gonna add a little oil, just the tips, because you know I already added some oil to it, so I'm just putting a little to grease the bottom of the pot, you know, just a little bit. And then when this becomes hot, I am going to add my vegetable with shrimp. Yes, guys, you see how that looks? Trust me. I just added a little all-purpose seasoning and a little black pepper, a little bit of salt, and as you can see, I have cabbage, kale, scallion, onion, garlic, thyme, scotch bonnet pepper, and bell peppers, and tomatoes, and that's everything that I have here. And you see, I'm just let my oil get a little hot. And whenever that happens, I am going to add my vegetable and shrimp to the oil. Yeah. Yes, guys. So, yeah. I don't want to use too much oil. You see how little the oil is? Yes, that's how little oil I want to have today. I don't want to have too much oil. Yes, so yeah, shrimp and cabbage and kale is ready to be added to the oil. So yes, I'm just gonna, you know, group it up. Look at that. Look at this, guys. Gee. Whew. Wow. Look at that. Guys, this tastes amazing. Look at it. Yes, it's amazing. Yes, guys, and I have some carrots in here too. So it's everything you can think of. Yeah. So I'm going to cover this like that. Guys, in another 3 minutes, I'm just going to use my fork or spoon. And I'm going to mix it and I'm going to cover it again. And I'm going to show you step by step how I make my vegetable mix with shrimp. Yes, guys, you know, and every day we can eat meat, you know. Sometimes we have to cool it down with a little vegetables. So, you know, you cook all of the big meat then, but you still have to eat your vegetable because that's the best thing. And, you know, cool down sometimes. And you know that we eat everything. We're not partial. So I am going to go through. You will see when I cook my chicken back. You will see when I cook my tin mackerel. You will see when I cook my sardine. You will see when I cook my tomato and onion mix up with oil. Yeah, can we eat everything? Yeah, we don't forget those days. So that's how we do our thing. So just journey with me, and you know, I'll show you a little bit about what I do in my kitchen, guys. Stay tuned. Yes, so see, it's been 3 minutes, and I'm just gonna go in and make a few spins, see what's going on with my vegetables. Yeah, you see guys, it already has sweat and I make juice in at the bottom, which, you know, whenever I want to get rid of that, I'm just gonna take off the cover off the pot. So you know, vegetable not taking a long time to cook, people, so you know, let's just, yeah, so this is what it looks like after 3 minutes, and I'm just gonna let it stay for another 10 minutes because I don't know, I want my shrimp to cook and my carrots. So yes guys, so, yeah, look at that. It looks juicy, right? Yes, yes it does. Wow, you want to smell this, guys. The smell is so good. Trust me, I know this is gonna taste, I'm gonna enjoy it, guys. I'm really gonna enjoy this vegetable, guys. Stay tuned. So basically what I do now, I have removed the cover from my pot, because you know vegetables spring a lot of water and they don't want all that excessive water in your vegetables. So I just remain the top, so you know the pot cover, let the pot sweat, and the sweat brings the water, and so if you take the cover off, eventually the water is going to go down. So yeah, and my cabbage is almost ready. So when it's done, I'm going to come back and I'm going to show you what it looks like, okay? Stay tuned. Yeah, so I added a little more black pepper to my vegetables. And guys, my vegetable is ready, you know. Doesn't want any more cooking. This is just how I like it. I don't like it too soft, but if you guys want it a little softer, you could let it stay on, you know, another 5 or 10 minutes, whatever you like. But I like my vegetables kind of crunchy, and I think it's at where I want it to be. So I'm going to turn my stove off, and yeah. Looks good, right? Smells good too. So I'm just gonna dive in this right now. Thanks for watching. Please do remember to like, comment, share, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. It's In the Kitchen with Fluffy K. Turn on your notification bell so when I upload a new video every week, you will see what I cook in my kitchen. Yes people, so this is how I'm serving my steamed vegetables with my shrimp. So I just have dumpling and Irish potato, and this is what I'm going to be having today. So hope you enjoy my video. Bye until next time, okay guys?